What if I told you that one of the gadgets in this video can literally disappear? Another one replaces your smartphone, and the last one might completely change how you see the world forever. Most gadget videos show you things you already expect. This one is different. Today, I ranked 5 futuristic gadgets from impressive to mind-blowing. And trust me, number 2 and number 1 are on a completely different level. Let's start. Let's begin with something subtle, but extremely useful. Number 5. This is Hidock P1. At first glance, it looks like a simple docking device, but once you understand what it actually does, you realize it's built for people who work, create, and communicate every day. Hidock P1 is a smart AI-powered dock that records, transcribes, and organizes your meetings automatically. No more forgetting what was said, no more messy notes, no more, "I'll remember this later." You connect it, start your meeting, and it quietly captures everything, turning conversations into searchable text. It's not flashy, it's not loud, but it saves time, and time is the most expensive resource we have. That's why it earns number 5 on this list. Good start. But now things get more interesting. Number 4. Imagine your home reacting to the sun automatically. These are Mado Dynamic Smart Blinds. They don't just open and close, they adapt. Based on sunlight, temperature, and time of day, they adjust themselves to keep your space comfortable and energy efficient. Morning, they gently let the light in. Afternoon heat, they block just enough sunlight to cool the room. And the best part, they do all of this silently, in the background. You stop thinking about blinds. Your home starts thinking for you. It's not science fiction. It's smart design done right. But we're only warming up. Before we move on, if you enjoy discovering future tech before it becomes mainstream, make sure you subscribe. This channel is all about gadgets that actually matter. Now, let's talk about something far more unexpected. Number 3. This one has personality. Meet LOOI. LOOI is a smart robot companion that lives on your desk. It reacts, it moves, it communicates. But here's what makes LOOI special. It's not trying to replace humans. It's designed to enhance focus, interaction, and emotional engagement while you work. LOOI responds to your actions, expressions, and environment almost like it's alive. Is it essential? No. Is it fascinating? Absolutely. LOOI represents a future where technology feels less cold and more human. And now, we're entering the top 2. This is where things get crazy. Number 2. This is where most people stop believing. These are Halliday glasses. They look like regular glasses. No bulky frames, no obvious tech, but they hide something powerful. Halliday Glasses project information directly into your field of view. Notifications, navigation, contextual data, without pulling out your phone, without breaking eye contact with the real world. You don't look down anymore. You look forward. This is the beginning of true augmented reality, subtle, wearable, and actually usable in daily life. And here's the scary part. Once you get used to this, going back to a smartphone feels outdated. But even this is not number 1. If you're still watching right now, you're definitely my kind of viewer. Hit the like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Because the final gadget is something I did not expect to be this impressive. And finally, number 1. This is DJI Flip. And yes, this is the one that truly surprised me. DJI Flip is a next-generation foldable drone designed for creators who want cinematic shots without complex setups. You unfold it, you launch it, and suddenly you're capturing angles that were impossible before. But the real magic isn't just the design, it's how accessible it is. Eye-assisted flight, smart tracking, professional stabilization. It feels like DJI compressed years of drone technology into something anyone can use. This isn't just a gadget. It's a creative tool that changes how stories are told. And that's why DJI Flip earns number 1. No competition. Technology is no longer about flashy features. It's about integration. about blending seamlessly into our lives. And the gadgets you saw today are just the beginning. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.